favorite YouTube channel, Lego Fan.
Oh, shut up. The Joe Buffett channel's on right now. So be quiet, you half-wit dumb bird. Okay. Hey, guys. Welcome to the new series.
Fox and Socks with the bird.
Yeah, with the bird. And today, we're doing a cooking video.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure about it. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Alright, what we're going to be cooking today?
Okay, we're going to be cooking chicken.
Oh, chicken? Oh, no, isn't that what I am?
No, you're a parrot. And the parrots taste like chicken. Yeah, put some flour on them. Get them all nice. Put some of that in there. Snort some of that. Oh! Okay. Okay, we're going to grab them. Come on. Come on, camera guy. Okay. Let's take them to the oven. Open it up. And toss them in. Okay. Let's wait for 10 hours. Alright, guys. It's time to see it in here. Wait, turn around real quick. Okay. Now, look at this.
Ain't that chicken sausage?
Oh, heck yeah. The finest of the best. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm going to be digging in.
Are you even sad that you killed your friend?
Heck no. He's delicious. And you know he'll come back on the next episode.
You know I shouldn't be talking in videos, right? Because I'm just a cameraman.
Shut up.
AKA Lego Fandom. Subscribe.
No one cares about you. Okay. Okay.
All
Leave
right.
me in peace. Okay, guys, that's the end of Fox and Socks, and the parrot guy. Who knows who he is? Perry the parrot cooks.
This is too violent.
I powder him up.
Alright, where's my money? I'm tired of this crap.
Shut up! You're not meant to be talking. We're gonna powder him
I'm
up.
not needing my voice. And oh yes, subscribe to that Lego Fandom now.
No one cares about you. Come here, come here,
I
come
need
here.
to take a bath.
No one cares. The door is not even open. Let's open the door.
Man,
Oh, watch your step there. It's, it's alright. Okay, toss him in. Well, we failed.
Stop it, bro. Stop it. I need my money. No, it's raining. It's flour and rain. Flour and rain. Do not pour no flour on me. It makes my fur all weird.
Yeah, getting paid.
Do not put it on me. No.